Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Hello Sitter app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started with a quick review about these platform services. Hello Sitter is a childcare app designed to connect busy parents with a reliable, privated babysitter in NYC. It lets you book a sitter on demand, whether you need someone in an 4 or a few days, and view provides reviews and the qualification directly in the app. Hello Sister makes it easy to find a trustworthy car care quickly without all the back and forth messages. It's not perfect. Some people say the service areas are quite limited, mainly Hamilton and part of Brooklyn, and there can be a technical hiccup with booking or messaging sitters. So while Hello Sitters can be a convenient way to find a sitter when you need it, it may not be always available everywhere, and it is not entirely free from glitches. And that's it.